New tonight, a patient with dementia contracts COVID-19 and survives. After a month, he's ready to go back to his assisted living facility, but the home will not accept him. CBS 2's Charlie DeMar at Glenbrook Hospital with a controversy tonight. Charlie.
Erica, and Glenbrook Hospital says they have developed pretty comprehensive protocols for discharging COVID-19 patients, especially those patients going back to group settings like nursing homes, adding that they have been following state and federal guidelines when it comes to releasing COVID-19 patients. And they also don't recommend doing a secondary test upon discharge to prove that you don't have COVID-19. But it's that second test that family says could get their loved one out of the hospital and back into his assisted care facility.
He could be discharged today if he had somewhere to go.
Vincent Comella Jr. says his dad, Comella Sr., is free to leave Glenbrook Hospital, where he's been for more than 30 days.
We can't take much more of it. It's hard.
But Dad, who lives with early onset dementia, has nowhere to go.
We've come to a logjam of where the facility won't accept him back without a negative COVID test, but the hospital will not administer the test.
Comella Sr. is a resident at Harbor House in suburban Wheeling. He was taken from the assisted care facility to Glenbrook Hospital at the end of March.
And they did a COVID test on him, and the next day he was COVID positive.
Based on the American Healthcare Association's recommendations, Harbor House requires patients who've tested positive for COVID-19 to show proof of a negative COVID test before being allowed back in.
Honestly, a test. A test would be the easiest thing.
But Comella Jr. says Glenbrook Hospital won't give him another test.
They said because he has no symptoms and that he's been symptom-free for 31 days.
Which is preventing his dad from returning to Harbor House.
It's one simple test, and we can have this all behind us, and my dad could rest.
Glenbrook Hospital did release a statement tonight saying they are working closely with the family, adding that the assisted care facility has been uncooperative in this entire transition process. The family says they will continue to follow up with the hospital until their loved one is home. We are live tonight from Glenbrook Hospital. Charlie DeMar, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Charlie.